Hello everyone! Thinking of getting the American Express Cobalt card? Here's how to apply. It's super simple. Just go to your browser and search for Amex Cobalt Card Canada or visit the official American Express Canada website. Look for the Cobalt card. You'll usually find it under the credits card section. Click on Apply Now. Then hit Agree and Continue to get started. Then just fill out the form. They'll ask you for your name, address, income, job information, all the usual stuff. After that, you'll go through a few more steps. Nothing too complicated, just follow the prompts. Double check everything you entered, make sure it's accurate, and then submit your application. And that's it. Now just wait for a response from Amex. They'll let you know if you're approved. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.